All right, so today we're going to keep working on reading comprehension, and we're going to do that using rap. So before you guys do it on your own, I'm going to demonstrate and model it, and I kind of want you guys just to pay attention and follow along with me in what I'm doing. So the first thing of rap is to read the text. So I want you guys to listen out loud, or listen along while I read out loud, okay? Good to go?
Yeah.
All right, so the text says, Ella is best friends with Sally. They love to play at the park. When they are at the park, they always go on the slide first and then they go and swing. Before they leave, they get a drink from the fountain. They think the park is so much fun. All right, so if we come down here to step 1 of rap, we have to read the text. So let's go ahead and check that off of our to-do list because we've already read it. Now, the next thing I want you to do when you guys are doing this individually is I want you to ask yourself a couple of questions. The first one is, who is this about? Can anybody tell me who this is about and help me out?
Ella and Sally.
You're right, this is about Ella and Sally. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to make a little note. Who is this about? Ella and Sally. All right, the next question I want you guys to answer or to think about is, where is this at? Where is the setting? Where is this taking place? Who can tell me from what we read where this is taking place at?
At the park.
Good job. This is taking place at the park. So right here, we're going to write the park. Okay? And the last question I want us to think about is, what's happening? What's going on? What is this about? Who can tell me?
They're playing around at the park and swinging and sliding.
You're right. So they are they are swinging, you said. They're playing. Swinging, and you said playing at the park?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to write that down. And because we finished that, we can go ahead and check this off. Let's look, now we finished our step 2. So let's go ahead and check that out. Now, step 3 is probably the most important. This is where the P in rap comes together. We're going to put it in our own words. We're going to take all of this information and we're going to make it make sense in a way that we would say, okay? So what I could say with all of this information that we read is that this is about Ella and Sally. They're playing in the park and they like to swing, but that's a lot of stuff. So what can I do to kind of condense that and put it into my words and make it shorter? I could say that this is about Ella and Sally playing in the park, right? Like, is that what we think this is about?
Yeah.
That's right. So I'm going to put that down here, and then that's going to be our final step. All right, so we put it into our own words and we said that Ella and Sally are playing in the park. That is what this text is about. So when we finish this, we can go ahead and check off our last box.